Hello everyone, welcome back to Software Codes. I hope you all are okay. So today in this video we are gonna learn how to run the emulator, and we will start our first project in Flutter. So for this, what you are gonna do, open the Android Studio. Okay, here you can see the button of new Flutter project. Click on it. Okay, select the Flutter, select the SDK path and give the name to a project. For example, I am giving the name to it, so we will give it to the name my first project and select the path. I'm just okay with this path, so I'm not gonna change it, and click on finish. Okay, so this is our first Flutter project. Now we have to run the emulator. For this, we are gonna click on device manager, create device. Okay, select screen and click next. We will download the latest API. It will take some time to download. It depends on the speed of your internet. It's a 1.4 GB file. Okay, so we got that error. We will resolve it. Finish and okay, what we are gonna do, we will go to files, in settings, appearance, behavior, system setting, Android SDK, and here we are gonna search about. So we will select this and apply. It will be installed, source file, this. Okay, that will take some time. Okay, so it has been installed, and we will click on it's partially installed. Okay, so we will click on okay, and okay, so now we are going to try again. Create a device and this, next, here it is. So this has been downloaded. We will click on the finish button. Now what we are gonna do, we will select this and press next. Leave it as it is. We will select the portrait and click on next, finish. So this is our virtual device, starting ABD. So this is our emulator. It will take some time to restart. So our this emulator has been started. Now what we are gonna do, basically Flutter provides you a basic project of a counter app. So what we are gonna do here, you can select the devices which you have. Currently we have that one. We will click on it and it will start running. So it will take some time. So you can see that our first application has been run on our emulator. Okay. So this is the simple built-in application Flutter is providing. A simple counter app. You will just click on the plus button and it will increase, it will do increment one by one. So I hope so today you have learned how to create the emulator, and also we have run our first Flutter built-in application. Facing any problem while installing the emulator, so you can ask in the comment box. To stay in link, just click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thank you.